When we speak about power, we usually talk about control and force, but real lasting power is to shape how people think, what they value, and what their principles are. Our work here at Qalam is about rebuilding that kind of power for the Ummah through faith, education, and character. That happens in the masajid, in the classrooms, in the general community spaces, with students, families, and the broader community. Teaching Islam not as an abstract idea, but as a lived reality, something that forms the heart as much as it informs the mind. From there, the work naturally expands through teachers and graduates who carry what they've learned back into their communities, through learning that reaches people wherever they may be, and through voices and platforms that make clarity accessible in a time of excessive noise. The goal was never growth and expansion, but the goal is actually connection. We believe that the future of the Ummah depends on scholars walking alongside educators, professionals, and leaders in all different fields and walks of life. When people of different expertise are rooted in Islamic scholarship, and Islamic scholarship is connected to real life and real people, something very powerful happens. Education becomes relevant without losing depth. Faith becomes confident without becoming rigid, and communities learn to live with wisdom instead of constantly reacting. This is how influence is restored, not through slogans, but through people, through generations who know who they are and how to serve with purpose and humility. This is the work of Qalam, and it is a trust in amana that we hope to carry forward together.